Hello YouTube, we're going to cut some brass. This stuff's about 65 thousandths thick, 64, something like that, if I remember right. Okay, we have an 18 tooth blade in there. We had tried, we will on camera, you can do this, use a 21 tooth blade. Okay. I say I don't promote any products, but this is a Lennox one. It was a free trial blade. It's supposed to be some special curd, whatever. I won't even show you the package. I did cut through a piece of steel. It's like 5/32, a little over 1/8. I did cut a piece that like 4 inches long a cut with my cheapy jigsaw. So it was able to do that. Brass is kind of picky. Even when I hacksaw it, I always have to use a really nice fresh blade. Okay, we're going to show you the speeds here that we're going to use. We're using our controller that we showed in the other video, that router controller. We're going to show you what speed we're at now. We'll turn it up so you know what this thing's like full blast. Okay, here we go. That's the speed we're using. We'll show you what it's like without the controller on there. That's too extreme for cutting metal. Okay, so here we go. We don't want to waste a lot of time on this. Let's get this thing going. This is the speed that I picked and I thought was good. Okay, it's a pretty rough blade. We've only cut that far. We kind of have a mark scratched here. We haven't experimented. We only cut that far. Okay, we're going to change the blade and put in the 21 tooth. Hang in there. We'll see what blade we like. Okay, we might as well show you how easy it is to change the blade. Press this button down, slide this over, watch my finger. See? That's all you got to do. We'll show you this monstrous looking blade, which I said is 18 tooth. I'm sure I'm correct. I have the package somewhere. Okay, you do the same thing. You pull it. There's just a slot down in here that goes over top of that T shape. We'll drop it in the slot, let off it, and that goes over it. So, sorry if I can't get you down in there to show you that. I take this out, just makes it easier to see what I'm doing. We'll put this back down. And I have enough tension on this with this plastic foot that it raises it up when this goes in there. Otherwise, it's going to catch. I did it without it once. And what it did is it grabs the blade because the blade's going up. It ain't like a bandsaw. And it'll flip right up. That is not safe. So, here we go. Let's turn this thing on and try the finer tooth blade, which should be, I think, 24 teeth. A little bit smoother. Let's give it some more speed. Nope. Give it more speed, it just don't want to cut. Okay, there's about approximate our mark. I would say use the fine tooth blade, especially on brass, because it was real grabby. But if you listen to the machine, it did chop through, even though it was shaking, it was really chopping it up. When you got to the fine tooth blade, you seem to be playing with the speed and everything, because it almost dog it down. That's the problem with those speed controllers. You lower the speed down, you lose the torque, the power of what saw or what you're using. And another quick thing, Sunday in the shop I was playing on the fans. I did a little more research. Do not use this. Something about, don't use on any motor that doesn't have brushes. I'm assuming this has brushes like a jigsaw, Dremel tool, sander. The fan, if I hooked up my fan, my little fan, you'll hear it humming really bad trying to use that controller. So, no. Put in there. I should have put that in the other video. You're really not supposed to use it for a fan, but there you go. Like I said, I measured this stuff. I can do it on camera. I'm sure I'm right. It's 60 whatever. And here, we'll do it in front of you. Cheap dial caliber. I got a micrometer order. I'm waiting for it. Let's get a little more accurate. About 65 thousandths. Depends on where you measure it at. Some of the stuff, the edge where it's rolled up. Here you go. Enough of that video. Experiment with brass. We're looking for some aluminum. So if I don't think this video is too long, we'll see if we can find a piece of aluminum, or we'll make another one on aluminum sometime. So thanks for watching. Aluminum, 1/4 inch thick.